commitment equals E for excellence. These are our core principles, no, as your next Humanities and Letters representative. But if you ask me, Ate Ace, usa pa dyan mong concrete plan of action sa atong division. First, we will utilize our potentials through what? Naatay productions committee, naatay communications team, naatay sorry, nakalimutan ko. Sige, balikan ako, sorry. First, sa communications team, naatay website, di ba? Ang atong himon dira, we will empower more people to work with the communications team. Like for example, may natay event, i-recap nato na, i-videohan nato na, di ba, most of us are mass communication students and we are trained to document events and so that. So para ma-utilize yun ang ang website na from Alexi. Another is, we will integrate and incorporate class officers inside the Student Executive Council. Ngayon, dili recognized class officers. We will integrate that through the batch reps. For example, first year batch rep. Ang iyahang person dira, ang key people niya dira, key persons niya dira are the presidents of every class. Why? Of course, we want to cater the needs of the students, and that's one way to know their concerns. And of course, there will be regular monthly meeting wherein all of us will convene. And what else? Of course, budget. We will not settle for t-shirt selling only. Let's go higher. Grabe ang potential sa Humanities and Letters. Partnership with bigger divisions, partnership with other companies, and of course, natay fundraising event. Dinner for a cause, party for a cause, kung unsa ang inyong gusto. Kana. And kato, we will also empower class secretaries and PIOs inside the communications team. Also, of course, there naa sila role dira. So, actually, daghan jud ko plans for the division. It's just that A plus C equals E, kana akong basis kung unsa mo lihok ang ato ang division. So guys, again, Ace Villanueva, with attitude, commitment, and excellence, Ace Villanueva po for unit representative.
So, you prefer to be called Ace, correct? Okay. Thank you, Ace, for your opening statement. So, yung mga hindi pa nakapagbigay ng questions, you can still put it inside the Mahiwagang micro box. Dito sa harapan. Gusto nyo ilako natin? Ito. Ilako natin. Ang papers, okay naman, di ba? Okay. So, yung mga hindi pa nakapag-submit,